Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, you'll learn how to connect Calendly to n8n using the built-in Calendly node. This connection allows you to automate workflows whenever someone schedules or cancels a meeting through Calendly. To begin, make sure you have access to both a Calendly account and an n8n instance. You also need a personal access token from Calendly. To get it, go to calendly.com, login and open the integrations page. Find the section that says API and webhooks. Click the button to generate a personal access token. Give the token a name, then copy it. Keep it safe because Calendly will only show it once. Next, open your n8n dashboard. Start a new workflow. Click the plus button to add your first node. In the search box, type Calendly Trigger. Select it. A new panel opens for configuration. You'll see a section for credentials. Click the drop-down and choose to create new credentials. A pop-up appears. In that pop-up, you'll see a field to paste your token. Paste the token you copied from Calendly. Give the credentials a name if you want. Then click Save. Now your Calendly account is connected to n8n. In the Calendly Trigger node, choose the event you want to listen for. For example, you can select Event Created if you want n8n to trigger when someone books a new meeting. You can also choose Event Cancelled if you want to react when someone cancels a meeting. Once you choose the event, you'll see your Calendly user appear in the next drop-down. This comes directly from the access token you connected. If your user doesn't show up, make sure the token is valid and has access to your account. Now that your trigger is set up, you can connect other nodes in your workflow. To test the connection, click the Activate button at the top right of the screen. This makes your workflow live. Now open your Calendly link and schedule a test meeting. After booking, return to n8n and check the execution log. You should see the trigger node running and passing the event data. That confirms the connection works. If you cancel a booking, you can test the cancel event in the same way. You now have Calendly connected directly to n8n using the official integration. You didn't need to create manual webhooks or use external tools. The Calendly trigger node handles it all for you, including authentication and event delivery. This makes it easy to build real-time automations that respond instantly to meeting events. You can expand this workflow by adding filters, conditions, and custom logic to respond differently depending on the invitee or event type. This is one of the cleanest ways to use Calendly with n8n, and it works well even on the free tier.